Football lovers, welcome to my channel. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Traveling news, Amakosi family. Thulani Tashlan Navaso is among the Kaizer Chiefs squad flying out to the Netherlands as part of the pre-season tour. Marcetina Napi will be assisting Mabaso as the pre-season. Full name Thulani Mabaso, age 20, foot left. Position 6'8", 11'3", nickname Touch. The team is heading to Europe to build chemistry and preparing for the upcoming season in the top-class European facilities. Wishing Touch and the rest of the Cameras boys all the best as they preparing for the upcoming Boutique campaign. For more Killer Tips updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Killer Chiefs.